Celebrating holidays, Memorial Day. Memorial Day is here. Family gather at the cemetery. They lay flower on military graves. A bugler plays taps while people stand quietly. It's Memorial Day. What is Memorial Day? Memorial Day honors fallen soldiers of the United States. People remember their sacrifice. For many, it also marks the start of summer. Who celebrates Memorial Day? People in the United States celebrate Memorial Day. Other countries may also honor U.S. troops who died on their land. Memorial Day beginnings. Memorial Day began in Waterloo, New York in 1866. It honored those who died in the Civil War. The holiday was called Decoration Day. Decoration Day was celebrated every May 30th for many years. People later began remembering all fallen soldiers on this day. It was renamed Memorial Day in 1967. Time to celebrate. Memorial Day now falls on the last Monday in May. Schools close to respect veterans. Many businesses also close for this important day. Memorial Day traditions. People decorate military graves with flags and flowers. American flags fly half-staff until noon. Many people take a moment of silence at 3 p.m. Some buy red cloth poppies on this day. They wear the flowers to remember lives lost in service. The sales help veterans. How to make a tissue paper poppy. Carry your poppy on Memorial Day to honor fallen soldiers. What you will need: 1 black, 1 red sheet of tissue paper, a pencil, 1 small round lid or cup for tracing, 1 big round lid or cup for tracing, scissors, and 1 green pipe cleaner. What you do: trace 3 circles using the small lid or cup on the black paper. Cut out the circles and stack them. Repeat step 1 with the big lid and red paper. Center the black circles on top of the red circles. Carefully poke the pipe cleaner through the center of the circles, pushing up from the bottom. Push through until about 1 inch of the pipe cleaner is poking up. Bend the tip in half and make a hook shape in the center of the flower. Finally, hold the flower by the stem. Use your fingers to scrunch the tissue paper up. Fluff it out until the pipe cleaner tip is hidden in the black center. People gather to celebrate freedom on Memorial Day. Some grill food or go to the beach. Families watch soldiers march in parades. They remember those who died for the United States. Glossary. Bugler. Someone who plays a bugle. A bugle is an instrument similar to a trumpet. Civil War. The U.S. war between the Union or Northern States and the Confederacy or Southern States fought between 1861 and 1865. Fallen soldiers. Soldiers who died in military service. Half-staff. About halfway down the flagpole, flags are flown half-staff to show respect for someone who died. Military. The armed forces. Poppies, bright red or orange flowers. Sacrifice. Something given up. Taps. A song played at military funerals and at night to signal bedtime. Veterans. Those who served in the armed forces.